Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share mango truffles. This is a 3 ingredients mango delight, mango coconut dessert recipe. And if you love mangoes and sweet, then this is the right recipe to try out in this mango season. For this recipe, we need 2 mangoes, ripe mangoes pureed, and 2 cups desiccated coconut, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Heat a saucepan and you can add the desiccated coconut and roast for about 5 minutes on low flame or till fragrant. Make sure to keep stirring, otherwise it will burn. Once it's done, you can turn off the flame and you can remove from the pan. In the same pan, you can add in the mango pulp and condensed milk and keep stirring and cook for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can add the roasted coconut to the puree, and the mixture will be a little gooey, and keep stirring to avoid any charring. Once the mixture comes to a doughy consistency and comes together, you can turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Once it's cooled, you can pinch out a small ball and roll between your palms, and then you can roll the truffles in desiccated coconut. These mango truffles are so easy to make and it's delicious. You must try this during this mango season. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.